Divorce Help. Welcome, I'm Russell Alexander. Want to welcome our Family Law Now listeners and our YouTube videos to this program and this video. If you like this video, please share it. You can leave your comment at the bottom. We'll answer all the questions, or most of the questions, at the end of each week. Recently, we settled a case, in less than 7 days using Divorce Help. These aren't the best of times. We're now living in very unusual circumstances. Family courts are now effectively closed with the exception of very limited issues and emergency cases that are being dealt with by means of telephone or video conferences. It's unlikely the courts will open before July of 2020, and matters may be delayed for an extended period of time beyond then as courts clear out the backlog. Even before the pandemic, the system was plagued by delays. People often had to wait several months before they can get a hearing before a judge. We are seeing more and more couples are now determined to be involved as key players in the planning and settlement process when they're going through a divorce. Before we take a deep dive into Divorce Help, we need to get a basic understanding of what collaborative practice is. We have several blogs and YouTube videos on this subject. We did a program called Runaway where we take high conflict court cases out of the court system using collaborative practice and settle those cases. We have another program called Saving the Golden Goose, where we teach families how they can save their family-run businesses and small businesses from divorce when they're going through the divorce. But let's get into some basics about collaborative practice. First and foremost, the lawyers agree not to go to court. Everybody agrees to provide full disclosure. The parties agree to tell us what their goals and interests are. We do option generation. Everybody agrees to be civil and respectful throughout the process, and it enables the team to be creative and flexible. We sometimes bring a financial neutral in to help assemble the data. That saves time and expense. Lawyers still provide legal advice and a legal framework for their clients. We will also bring in a family professional to help with communication and maybe help settle parenting issues. So what is Divorce Help? Even in the best of times, separation and divorce is the journey that's going to affect over 40% of Canadian families. And they're going to struggle with divorce. Our experience is that every family is different. And, unfortunately, some choose to endure the pain and protracted process and costs of having lawyers and family courts decide and impose terms of the separation on them and their families. That's why we have developed Divorce Help, or the acronym is High Efficiency Legal Process. It's for families transitioning through separation and divorce. The genesis of this idea and approach was developed by the Collaborative Practice Institute. The Institute is made up of lawyers. It's a community of collaboratively trained professionals, financial professionals, business evaluators, writers, educators, trainers, and other service providers. So let's get back to the high efficiency legal process. This offers couples who want to be involved in building their next family's chapter. It includes a client-centered, multidisciplinary team offering legal, financial, and family counseling expertise. It's collegial, not adversarial, with a planning mindset focused on helping both spouses identify and achieve their most important goals and interests. We produce fact-based financials that create understandable financial options that preserve precious family wealth and work in the real world. We use experienced parenting coordinators offering insight and support to strengthen key relationships. We provide a roadmap to the parties, setting out who's accountable for each step, the effort required, and the estimate cost to achieve settlement. A clear plan setting out mutual high expectations of both the team and the client. The road to resolution will have bumps along the way. That's normal. Resolving all of your issues using for your family needs to tackle is a journey. H.E.L.P's goal is to create sustainable and wise agreements between the spouses. H.E.L.P offers you a team of highly experienced and collaborative professionals who will provide you with support, guidance, and options to resolve your questions and dispute and build the best winning conditions for your next chapter. Who are the right clients for Divorce H.E.L.P? Well, H.E.L.P is not for everyone. Families that are in deep conflict or parties that view the separation process as a means to extract revenge or war by another means aren't good candidates for H.E.L.P. Our target clients are people like you who share a deep commitment to achieve this level of efficiency. For couples who want to manage the pace, the effort, and the cost of the separation. We have a case study where we used Divorce H.E.L.P recently, and we helped that family settle the terms of their divorce in under 7 days. The family was making $50,000, $60,000 each. They had young kids, an asset, a business. A home has recently sold. Both parents were prepared. They had good communication. They had an idea of what possible options could look like. They approached our H.E.L.P team with a draft parenting plan that required some adjustments and clarifications. In preparing, we ensured that adequate financial disclosure and executed financial statements were exchanged. This was done during the pandemic. We reviewed the net family property statements and spousal support guidelines and financial statements in advance of signing any final agreement. We updated the parenting plan, and we worked with clients offline and within the full team setting. We drafted the final agreement. We reviewed the final agreement in the team setting. We executed the agreement using DocuSign. We executed the agreement using best practices to ensure it was properly done and nobody was under any duress or pressure. The benefits of Divorce H.E.L.P is cooperation, speed, timing. We were able to isolate and stay safe during the pandemic. And the team worked as a cohesive team. And the parties were incredibly satisfied with the outcome. Divorce H.E.L.P may be right for you. Take a look at our podcast and our YouTube video we have coming out. If you like this video, please share it, comment, share. There's a bell at the bottom. You can hit the bell and get notice of our upcoming videos. If you leave a comment, we're trying to endeavor to answer everybody's questions that they have regarding Divorce H.E.L.P. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today, and please be safe.